mine. Are the agents in place yet?
Almost, Dr. Claw. We're replacing the crew.
Quickly, the ship is set to depart soon.
Yes, Dr. Claw.
Don't anyone move! I'm putting this entire ship under arrest!
So, you got my old friend Gadget's niece.
Oh, she was spying on us, Dr. Claw.
Well, dispose of her for a moment. We must prepare for our departure. The submarine is in sight. Our rendezvous with the mad submarine will happen shortly. Once the jewels are safely aboard, we will have to get rid of excess baggage. First the crew. Quickly, it's time to lighten our load. Get rid of the crew and our unexpected guest.
It will be a pleasure, I'm sure. Yow!